stay with the squad, yeah. Trap at any spot, yeah. My new bitch got long hair. Hate on me, I don't care. Brand new Jordans came out.
Right, so we're talking Limnono Trainer. Had the latest version up. This is the 10.14 version of the tool. So let's get right into this. As you can see, some of the fields are translated. Now, right here where it says Face ID on the left, that's wrong. That's actually going to be the last name, and where it says last name is going to be the first name. The Face ID section on the right side over here is actually the correct Face ID section. So the creator of the tool is working on getting it translated to English correctly. I've done no translations on this. This is all from the official creator. All right, so I have the tool up before I start the game. As you can see, bottom left corner, game process not found. So that means I have not yet initiated the NBA 2K19 file. I haven't started up the game yet on my PC. So right now I'm starting up Steam. I always pull up Limnono Trainer prior to starting the game. This is the surefire way to make sure that Limnono Trainer is going to work. This is what works for me. If you do something else and it works for you, then that's great. If this way doesn't work for you, then that's also great. I'm just showing you guys what works for me. Now that the game is up in the background, you'll see game process found in the bottom left corner. So it's at this point when I finally initiate the tool and get the tool started. So I press F1. In the top left corner, you will see F1 highlight. It will change to a different color. Orange is the color it changes to for me. If you're using a different version of the tool, maybe a different color. But this is what works for me. All right. So what we want to do is we're going to let the game load up to the logo screen, because that is where I try to make sure the trainer is attached to the 2K19 process on my PC. So we let that screen sit up for about 10 seconds and we let it sit there. And then I'm going to grab my mouse and I'm going to move over to the left here in a second. All right, so about right now I'm going to move over. I clicked it once, nothing happened. So now I'm just going to hover over for a second. It's blinking. I'm not clicking it. I'm just hovering over it and it's blinking. But I'm trying to get the list on the right side to come up. So I push it now and everything on the right side has come up. So I've had multiple people ask me how to get it working. This is the surefire way, at least for me. This is the surefire way to get it working, to get the trainer attached to the 2K19 process on your computer. I do it this way every time so that I make sure the tool is actually going to work. Because when I see this list, I know that all of the options are going to actually work when I go to use this tool. So this video right here was just a little tip, a little help for those trying to get that roster list up. And just make sure you press that refresh roster list button. That's the button we push to get the list. Make sure you press that button each time you load a new roster or make a roster change.